Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting my channel. Today I am participating in an open invite hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and April from Adair Shares. This is a monthly series that Coffee with My Sunshine, Casey, has called Using Trash to Create Treasure, and we are supposed to do exactly that. We are supposed to create something from something that we were planning on throwing out. So I am going to be making vases from these tea tins. This is loose leaf tins that I've had. I usually keep these for this purpose, to repurpose them for something else. But these come free when you purchase over 100 grams of tea. So you get them for free. This is from David's Tea and this was from Tijuana. So I have a couple different sizes, which I think is perfect. And my project is very simple, but I wanted to show you some different ways that you could do this. I will be using this wrapping paper. It's just like a butcher's paper, and I will be decorating the tins with that. But you could totally use some leftover materials that you have, or if you have cut up pieces of burlap, either from the garden or craft burlap that you have, or you can even use scrap pieces of cardstock that you might have laying around. The possibilities are endless. So for this project, what you need is some sort of a glue. I will be using hot glue, but you can totally use craft glue or Mod Podge to attach the whatever you're decorating your tins with. So I'm going to cut up my paper, and then I'm going to attach it to the glue it to the tins.
It's going down on Christmas Day.
So now that I have cut it out, I am going to put a thin layer of glue. Now that this is done, you can leave it like this and just put different flowers in it. But because I'm using this for winter season, I'm going to go one step further and use some white acrylic paint and just now I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of them. So here they are, all finished, and I think they turned out really cute. You can change out the flowers, you can put greenery. I just put what I had on hand, and that was dried eucalyptus and magnolia leaves from last year. We can totally add color with some red berries or just greenery. You can put live greenery in there. The possibilities are endless. So I want to thank Casey and April for hosting this channel, and I will have both of their channels linked down below, as well as the playlist, so make sure you go check it out. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.